Hello and welcome. My name is Natalia and this is Revenue Cat Startup School, and we're gonna teach you about marketing, how to make sure that your application hits all the top charts and prints you a lot of money. I wish things were as easy as I say, but there are a lot of things underneath. But what I'll try to do is to make sure you have all the knowledge you need to make your product successful. If you have a product, if you know that it works and it attracts relevant audiences, but you don't know how to take care of all the marketing mess, because it actually can be very messy, this course is ideal for you. You have your product, you love your product, other people love it, but you don't know how to make sure more people know about it and gonna use it. So what I'll try to do is to teach you how to grow your product profitably and in a sustainable way. By the end of the course, you'll be able to do three most important things. 1, launch the campaigns. 2, analyze their performance. 3, build a strategy. Strategize what are the best channels, best creatives to make your product scale in a profitable way. You may wonder, who is this lady and what's she gonna teach us about marketing? Well, I know a little bit. I spent my last years doing app marketing mainly for subscription-based apps, so I'm pretty deep in the industry. But I also try to combine academic knowledge and practical experience. So I still use ad accounts with these hands and do uploads, analysis in there. On the other hand, I really enjoy teaching others. So I mentor user acquisition specialists and managers to help them reach their goals. And at the same time, sometimes I teach at universities and business schools because digital marketing is still a little bit different from traditional one. But to be honest, the real reason is way more simple. I am a proud mama of 3 beautiful cats. And as this course is presented by Revenue Cat, having a cat is an obligation. I'm going to do everything possible from my end to make sure you can take most of this course. And what I'll try to do is to combine some practical skills and knowledge and workshops and some theoretic background. I do believe that knowing the theory and understanding the fundamentals can help you in the long term to become a better specialist in your field. What I also believe in is that marketing is a social science. It's not math. So knowing it is not as straightforward as 2 + 2. How I built this course, I divided it into 6 big blocks, and actually every block can be a standalone course. So, for example, if you are not interested in marketing fundamentals or creative strategy, you can simply skip it. However, I very kindly encourage you to listen to all of the videos and to have the full picture. It's going to make your life easier. And of course, you may say like, well, there's going to be 6 lessons. The answer is no, it's going to be way more lessons. So every lesson has its main goal, purpose, and it's always better to learn by small chunks. Micro-learning is a very popular trend, as you know. Just like on different hazardous goods, you can see the warning signs. For example, on cigarettes, I want to give a warning sign to you as well. Please remember, marketing is a social science. Unfortunately, it is not as straightforward as mathematics, arithmetics, where 2 + 2 = 4. So in this case, the set of best practices which works for one app may not work for the other one. And also, rules of the game change every time Apple, Google, Meta, TikToks, etc. are updating their policies, algorithm. So it's more about testing, trying, and questioning everything other people are saying, especially instructors like me. And before we kick off and start learning, let me finish with the most important slide of this whole course. If you are not happy with your life, you cannot be happy at work. So please do the things you love, find your why, and it will help you to overcome all the challenges with your motivation and inner strengths. Let's get down to work.